Hi guys, today we're going to be looking at tally charts, pictograms and bar graphs. Now this is going to be a bit of a roundup because I know most of you have done quite a lot on all of these before. So let's see how we go. First of all, what do we use tally marks for? Well, when we're using tally marks, we have one thing, one tally mark. It's a quick, easy way of counting up a lot of stuff. And when we reach number 5, we put a stroke through the other 4 tally marks. And this means it is nice and easy to add up using our 5 times table. So all the complete tallies we use our 5 times table for, and then we count on for any ones left over at the end. So tally marks are there to count up things quickly. Now, I've opened a cake shop. Not really. This is how many cakes I sold on Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday and Friday. As you can see, it's just a quick tally chart. I can just keep track of it very, very quickly and easily at 1 mark, 1 cake. So, what did I do on Monday? Well, you should be able to tell me. I've got 2 groups of 5, therefore I sold 5, 10 cakes. On Tuesday, I sold 5. On Wednesday, 5, 6, 7, 8, and so on. I'm sure you can work those out for yourself. So that's a quick tally to show how many cakes were sold during the course of a week. Right, what's different about this? I'm using the same information, but this time I'm showing it to you as a pictogram. The important thing to look at is not just the pictogram, but the key. The key is really important. So, each of those little pictures, each of those images has the value shown in the key. So on Monday, you can see there are 5 cakes. So each cake has a value of 2, because I can see that in my key. So 5 times 2 is 10. So can you see how many cakes were sold on Tuesday? It gets slightly more difficult with a pictogram because there's 2.5 pictograms. So I know that 1 whole picture of a cake means 2 cupcakes were sold. So half a picture of a cake means half that amount, 1 cupcake was sold. So now I can add up 2 cakes, 2, 4, and half a cake means 1 total of 5. So I'm sure you can tell me how many were sold on Thursday. Right, how many cakes were sold this week? Well, this is now moving into bar charts. So as you can see, I've got numbers going up the side on the left, and at the bottom I've got Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday. At the top I've got a title. Really important. Those are the 3 things I need to do a bar chart. I need to have the information of what this chart is about, I need to have numbers, and I need to have the description, in this case Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday. So on Monday we sold 10 cakes. So there we are, we pop in a bar chart, a bar up to number 10. That shows us that there were 10 cakes sold on Monday. Tuesday there were 5, Wednesday there were 8, Thursday there were 7, and Friday was a good day, that was 14. When you're doing a bar chart, remember, always make sure your numbers go up at least as far as your biggest bar is going to be. That's quite important, otherwise you might run out of space. Very important to keep it nice and clear and straight, so you will need to use your rulers for this. So we've got 3 different ways of showing the same information. We started off with a tally chart, so that was a quick and easy way of counting a lot of things. Then we showed it as a pictogram, and a pictogram uses images to show the information with a key, and in this case I've just shown you the example of a key. One blob could mean 5, so that means I'd be counting up in 5s. In the case of the cakes, I was doing 1 cake equals 2. Right. The bar chart used blocks on a graph to show information. Now the vertical or y-axis is the one going up the side on the left, and that shows the number of things, and the horizontal axis or the x-axis shows what they are. I'm just going to pop back to that so you can see what I mean. So you've got the y-axis up the side showing the numbers, you've got the x-axis along the bottom showing what it's all about. What are those things? So on Monday the block goes to 10. Right, I think it's now time for you to go and have a little go at that yourselves. I will be posting stuff into files on Teams for those of you that can access that. If you're finding it difficult to access that and you're at home, I would like you to go to your kitchen and I want you to tally all your windows, all your doors, and how many things in there that can tell you the time. So that's all the clocks or ways of telling the time you can see, and it could be a timer on that you wind up, it could be on your wall, it could be on your cooker. If you look around carefully, you'll probably find that you've got more than one. Windows, you can count the windows in there. You could also count the window on your washing machine, the window on your microwave, be imaginative. And doors, not just the door you come in, all the cupboard doors. So you should have quite a lot of information there. Once you've done your tally, I would then like you to do it as a pictogram, to show the information as a pictogram. I want it nice and neat, please. And finally, I'd like you to use that information to make your bar graph. Okay, that's your challenge. And we'll see you later. Bye.